Yeah,
Mm.
faith and replenish. Tapos gusto ko lang i-echo yung sinabi ni Kay about support system. Kasi, like, unlike Kay's approach and yung approach na iba ko na interview, they really have, like, a solid support system from batchmates or, like, from really orgmates, ganon, course mates. Tapos for me, that was really between me, God, and my family. Parang ganun yung, naging anchor ko. And it's
Mm.
because ako, like, as a person, I really like being in my own energy. May ganun akong vibe. So I'm like,
Mm.
okay, let me ask help from God. And like my
Aw.
family to support me. Like, ganun talaga, okay. So I'm really like happy to hear na, of course, like a support system is timeless and it's
Mm.
gonna benefit them, right? So you guys, if you have it, maximize.
Yeah.
Welcome to Mindset Magic with Mika, where we unlock clarity, courage, confidence, creativity, and connection so you can show up as your most expressed, most aligned, most unstoppable self. If you are ready to shift into your main character energy and design a life that feels as good as it looks, you're in the right place. I'm Mika Doria, your interior designer, your Mindset Magic Muse, branding goddess. Let's dive in.
Oo, ang galing kasi for you, Ate Mika. Nagawa mong support system and faith in one. Kasi direct yung connection mo, like, with God.
More
So,
like that.
ang galing, ang galing.
So then you are connected. Thank you, Kay. Yeah, but can I just say na, hindi ko alam if na-share ko pa to, pero one of my biggest learning lessons nga rin in my first take, parang dumating ako sa point na I forgot to ask for like higher help. Like,
Oh, yeah, yeah. I
so
think,
crazy. Di ba? Kasi we had a
mm,
debriefing nun ni na Kay, parang a month after the first take ng boards, tapos tumabas.
mm,
Tapos I'm like, really just processing. Tapos I met them. Tapos at that moment, I'm like, wow, it all happened because this. And now Kay is here saying na, ingredient faith. Kasi totoo. Totoo. Like, faith creates miracles. Can I just say? Na even if you
mm.
feel like, lima lang na review mo. But you have
Oo,
such a big faith na, and
oo.
like really unwavering belief na I'm gonna pass this time. It's really, really gonna happen. And when you said yun, buti na na-mention mo yun, Kay. When you said na, I did my part. Like, I hope the universe, higher powers see, like, how earnest you are with your intention. Because it does. Like, like when you put out that energy there, talagang ni-reflect sa'yo na yung energy mo na yan, pang top notcher. So I'm really, really so
Aw,
happy to see it. Galing!
thank you, thank
I
you.
like na you mentioned that, Marlo, kasi parang for me rin, parang one of my biggest strategy is really working on the gaps, like yung weaknesses.
Mm.
Kasi parang yung iba, foundational na eh. Parang you know it by heart. 'Di ba? Parang as an interior design
Yes.
student for how many years? Parang you know it na by heart. Pero there are really skill sets, strategies, yung mga na-mention ni Marlo na really effective psychological tips to really leverage what you already know and
Yeah.
fill in the gaps faster.
Yeah, speaking of gaps, uh,
Mm.
remember I told you na may tracker nga ako.
Yes.
So part ng mga
Mm.
yun is meron akong mock exam tracker. So per week,
Wow.
I try my best na yung 7 categories
Oh,
ng categories, yung 7 parts ng interior design board exam is makover ko at ma-quantify ko sila.
wow.
Kung ilang
Mm.
percent, by percentage ako. So regardless kung 1 to how many yan. May percentage ako. And nare-rank ko sila. And by the end, kunwari, 3 weeks na lang, makikita mo na, wait, sobrang taas ko pala sa history. So, top
Wow,
1 ko
yes.
yung history, top 2 ko yung
Mm-mm.
furniture, top 3 ko yung materials. Okay, so tama na ako doon. Kahit na feeling ko may marireview pa ako sa tatlong yun, tama na ako doon. Magpo-focus na ako sa Prof Prac. Because Prof Prac, parang doon ako laging lower than 50%.
Ah, mm.
So, yung energy ko, napupunta na doon nga sa weakness ko na na-pinpoint ko because of evidence.
Oh,
Very like
galing.
evidence. So may ebidensya ako na dito ako nagkukulang.
Mhm.
So stop na muna ako dun sa iba, dito naman tayo.
Tama yung sa balance kasi
Mm.
well for me, like when taking also the exam, tapos yun nga, you have evidence na ay magaling ako dito, dito hindi pa. Tapos when you know na you are actively working on your gaps, it gives you the confidence tuloy on approaching the exam na, uy, wait lang, na-polish ko rin naman to. Tapos meron na
Diba?
akong strengths. 'Di ba? So, parang may extra confidence boost ka na, "Uy, kaya 'to."
Di ba? And
Mm.
psychologically speaking, the more na confident ka dun sa subject na yon, dahil nakikita mo nga na, eto lagi highest ko. Kahit hindi
Oo.
siya pumasa, siya pa rin yung highest mo.
Totoo yan! Oh my God. I love that
Diba?
one.
Tapos parang, magaling na ako dito. Tapos mas chill ka lang sumagot
Mm.
compared mo dun sa lowest mo. Tapos parang kinakabahan ka. Ito na naman, lowest ko to.
Totoo yun. Kasi yung energy na parang na habang nag-aaral ka dun sa strengths mo,
Mm.
nag-a-amplify lang kung confident ka. Tapos yung sa isa, kaya, kaya we also advise nga na really working on those gaps. Kasi
Yeah.
pag nahila ka nun, syempre, domino effect rin yan sa strengths mo, sa
Mm.
confidence mo. So really balance. Oh my gosh, Arlo. Speaking of that and like confidence, alam naman natin na everyone's kind of dreading or like doubting kung kaya ba talaga nila yung part na to. So, for you, how
Mm.
did you approach yung design part and balance all sections of the exam? I guess time-wise,
Mm.
ganun.
Oh
Mm-mm.
my God. So, napansin nyo, laging academics yung mga multiple choice questions, yung nababanggitan kong strategy kanina.
Yes.
Kasi, doon ako magaling. Sa interior design part, oh my God, like, this is my biggest challenge. Like, this was my
Mm.
biggest question mark. Ito yung parang deal breaker ko. Papasa ba ako o hindi? Ayun. So, sa mga
Mm.
nakikinig dyan and Waterloo din nila, itong interior design part ng exam, fret not,
Relate.
pumasa guys. Umabot ako sa top 10, katabi ko si Nothing Follows. So, kung kaya ko, kaya nyo din.
At the end of the day, yung listahan naman ng top 10, hindi naman yon about how good you are as a designer. It's really how prepared are you for the exam. So, ang ganda
Nga.
rin. Mm. Tapos 'no, kapag supportive nga rin talaga yung environment mo, nakaka-boost.
Oo. Yung support
Mm.
system mo, mahalaga din.
Mm. Oo,
Kasi
actually.
kasi hindi
Mm.
naman, di ko alam kung sa'yo ganun, pero parang ako siyempre hindi naman ganito yung energy ko all throughout the review season na parang, okay, kailangan mapasa ako.
Go, go,
Siyempre may
go,
mga times din talaga ako na maiisip ko, hala, paano pag hindi ako nakapasa? Ganyan. Hala,
Mm.
parang may mga doubt, magkakaroon ka talaga ng doubt eh. Hala, hindi pa ako ready, ganyan. Hala,
Mm.
ang dami na yata nilang alam, ganito. Kasi pag nag-group study
Totoo.
kayo, ang dami na nung sinasabi hindi ganito.
Oo nga.
Hindi ko alam yung sagot, ganyan.
Mm.
So, nakaka-pressure. Pero ayun, ano lang yun eh, parang ah, glitch lang yon yung mga ganong moments mo. Siguro pa
Hmm,
rin na ano ka, na capable ka, 'di ba?
totoo.
To be and also be confident na, okay, I'm a different designer, hindi ako template designer na ine-expect
Oh, ang
nila,
ganda
'di ba?
nun.
Baka ganito sila mag-isip for design pero ako I'm a different, iba yung perspective ko in design and I will make it work during the board exam.
Parang it's a similar theme for everyone also who pass and like top the board exam. Well, at least sa mga nakausap ko. Kasi for them, it's really about remembering na you're not alone in this.
Yes.
Na there are powers backing you up. There are people believing in you. And you have yourself friend at the end of the day. So really like pull yourself together. So, wow. Para sa mga lone wolf dyan. Recovering lone wolf. Yeah, there is power in company.
Exactly. Work in a team, guys.
Mm, work in a team. I'll call on kayo ng ano nyo, ng spiritual guides for extra support if you feel like you don't have a team yet. Ah,
Yes.
kasi in
Mm-hmm.
the board exam, parang just really shows how prepared you can be as an interior designer. And I think
Mm-hmm.
it's just important na they see how you approach things and if you can
Yeah.
solve it with, 'di ba, with the 4 years na you've been learning ID or more.
Right.
Oh,
Someone
yeah.
mentions a certain topic, then let's say hypothetically you're doing the exam, then you see a question, and then that question will make you remember about that one instance where
Mhm.
your study buddy said this and that. Ganun ba? Oo.
That's so true. Alam mo ba, like I was interviewing like other friends rin who took the exam. Tapos they were saying na really having an accountability group, study bodies,
Mm.
really help them with their progress. Kasi when someone says this, and you'd be like, oh, I don't know that yet. So it fills in the gap of your blind spots, di ba?
Yes.
And this time, parang mas buo yung feeling ko na, yeah, I can do this. And then, ayun, I'm glad na I did. So, the reason for me ay, number one, gusto ko magka-license. And then, I think it opens, a lot of opportunities kapag ka, licensed ka ng designer. And also, siguro, parang na rin, self-assessment na as someone na hindi nag-gap year and dumiretso agad sa workforce right after
Also,
graduation, parang how different am I now as a designer, as a practicing designer compared when I was just a fresh grad. So, paano yung atake ko sa plates, sa design problems? It's all different now that I think about it.
ang
Ayun.
galing. Nag-adopt talaga rin sa journey mo yung yung working. And then, following your gut na, wait, hindi muna now. Grabe yan Hindi lang
Oo, it was,
matapos.
grabe, sobrang siya, parang, it was a courageous decision for me.
Mm.
Parang, alam mo, retreating is not really a sign of weakness, but a sign of
Yeah.
courage as well. Kasi,
Mm.
parang that time, kahit na hindi ako nadala sa peer pressure and
Mm.
So,
That's true.
guys, if you feel that the time is not right, then you have every reason to say no. But,
Oh!
but be accountable for what happens next and be sure na hindi mo siya tatalikuran, like all in all. Babalikan mo pa rin siya. You're just saving up your energy for when the right time comes. You'll go full on. Ayun.
Ang galing. Parang feel ko tuloy, like, naging factor yun on what made you to the top rin. Kasi syempre, buo na yung loob mo. Tapos,
Yeah.
that was you, like, keeping your promise to yourself. Na,
Mm-mm.
I said na next year, magte-take na ako eh. And it's gonna be like, my best na. Di ba? Like,
Yes, yes. Parang ganon.
galing.
Oo.
Wow. The power of making promises to yourself and actually keeping it. Grabe. Sa si
Totoo. Diyos
Jam.
ko, parang kulang na lang may promise ring ako para ma-remind ako na, hoy, nag-promise ka.
Now
Oo.
do it.
Totoo.
Grabe. Meron ka bang mga Glenn, like yung mga paniniwala na, alam mo yun, yung mga ritual ginagawa?
Ano mo
Mm.
ginawa nun? Well, hindi ko nagawa yung red underwear. Yung
Di
sa
ba
binili.
may tanong dito sa open forum? Pero
Ano,
yan, thanks for saying. Oh.
hindi ko nagawa yun. Kasi wala akong nabiling red underwear. Um, ano pa ba? Ano pa ba yung sinasabi nila?
Ano yung mga gusto mo i-debunk?
Well, nagpatasa ako sa, kasi nandun sila,
Mm.
nagpatasa ako ng pencil for sure. Pero isang pencil lang yun, tapos maraming tasa ng kung sino-sino man na pumasa.
May ganun. Mm.
Nag-work naman siya. Yun yung ginagamit ko for
The
multiple.
multiple choice. Oo.
Kasi hindi ko na alam kung nasan siya doon. Hindi ko alam kung inanod ng baha or di ko na alam. Nahanapin ko pa siya ulit. Kasi baka hindi ko pa siya mapamigay.
I-donate, oo. Papa yung kukuha, no? Pagka-donate, no? Oh my God.
Yung drafting board ko, hiniram ko lang din yun. So, binalik ko lang siya sa may-ari. So, swerte niya. O, diba?
Magte-take pa lang. Oo nga, magte-take pa lang siya.
Oo.
Nabasbasan yung
Oo. May basbas na yun, pero binaha din yun.
Gusto ko yung may context talaga ng baha. Grabe. Wait, yung baha, di ba after ng boards? Tama ba? After before?
Boards, as in, the week after, hindi, the week after the release ng results.
Oo, parang nakita ko pa yun eh.
Kasi yung pumasa ako, top notcher ako. Tapos, bugs binaha kami.
Grabe.
Grabe yung ganun.
Oh my God. Oo nga. Grabe yung timing.
Oo. I think
Pero,
pwede naman nilang i-balance. Parang, mataas ngayon, babahain kayo bukas.
Balance lang.
Oo.
Grabe. Grabe yung yung roller
Ikaw
coaster.
naman tanungin ko. Like, ibalik ko lang yung question.
Wow. Pursuing ID?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Thank you for throwing that question to me. Grabe. So, actually, ang nostalgic for me ng question na to kasi I just realized na I really started enjoying ID parang midway. Parang ganon,
Mm-mm.
or almost
Oh.
midway. Kasi I still remember vividly na nung magko-confirm na ako ng slot ko sa ID, I was still hesitating. Like, imagine na, nasa Office of Admissions na ako. Kami, ng parents ko, ng sisters ko. Tapos ako, I'm
Oo.
like, parang ayoko, parang di ako sure. Uwi na lang tayo. Titira na
Oh,
lang ako
yeah.
ng slot ko.
Naalala ko yung kwento mo na parang meron kang other options sa ibang university, tapos pinag-iisipan mo talaga
Oo.
siya. Yeah, I remember that. But look at you.
Tapos, yeah nga eh. And here, like, even doing this heart project for ID office. That's crazy. Pero same na classic story na sa lahat ng schools na I took an exam on, puro architecture yung napasa ko. Tapos pagdating
Mm-mm.
sa ID? Yeah. Pero I think our profs rin kasi in UP, kahit freshie pa lang, they really love ID so much na it really rubs
Yeah.
on you rin. Alam mo yun?
Sobra. ID 11 pa lang. Parang,
Diba?
okay, I'm gonna
Parang,
be an interior designer.
mm, kahit nung biglang sinabi may board exam, ayun, parang that was the moment for me na I realized, wow, like ID is more than aesthetics. There's also so much heart and
Yeah.
service poured into it. So, wow. Ayun, I love it. I started loving it. Grabe,
That's
no?
great.
Oh my gosh, our profs. Wala. We are grateful for them. They have great
Yes.
foundations.
That's a wrap for today's episode. I hope these insights gave you clarity, courage, confidence, and peace as you prepare for your own board exam journey. Until next time, trust yourself, take up space, and keep going. You got this. You are the main character of your life. If this episode sparked something in you, share it with a friend or tag me at Mikadoria on Instagram. I'd love to see how you're stepping into your magic. And if you're loving the podcast, please leave a review. It helps more visionaries, achievers, and creatives like you find this space. And as always, let's shift into our main character energy together. Keep shining, keep creating, and I'll see you in the next one.